In the United States, 37 million people, including 1 in 6 children, live at or below the poverty line. The cost of poverty experience, known as COPE, combined with a framework for understanding poverty, is a full-day training that explores the lived experience of poverty firsthand through the eyes of real families. The experiential nature of this training helps organizations and communities more deeply understand the human and systemic impacts of poverty. A framework for understanding poverty helps your team take the lessons from COPE and further develop understanding and strategies that address individual, organizational, community, and policy barriers. This professional development experience challenges participants to rethink poverty, shift their mindsets regarding those who survive poverty, and implement strategies that create patterns of increased stability and staying ahead. The Framework for Understanding Poverty Workshop and COPE experience are tools that will help your team deepen their understanding of the realities of being under-resourced in the United States, improve policies, procedures, and approaches to better address the challenges low-income children and their families face, build stronger partnerships between parents and staff to help improve children's learning outcomes. For further information on this highly impactful professional development option, call AHA Process at 800-424-9484.